Hi guys, welcome to Vesna TV. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I am going to show you a tour of my house for fall. I'm showing this to you now because I have started my Halloween DIYs, so I will be decorating probably some point this week for Halloween. So I want to share this with you in case you don't decorate for Halloween but want some fall inspiration. So here we start with my family room. I have decorated it minimally for fall, not like super all out, but enough that every little corner has something fall-like. I have my mantle there for you guys to see, and I will be zooming in on everything, but this is just a little picture of what it looks like when you walk into it. Now, when you walk into my family room, you're actually walking from the hall beside the laundry room where I have this gorgeous barn door that I actually made myself. I made this way before I ever started YouTube, so I don't have a video for this, but you can see that right here. And then I have, when you walk in, I have this little side table, which I actually refinished myself. I love the way it turned out. It actually inspired for me to redo the rest of the furniture. And then I have this jar that was a pickle jar that I painted and I am repurposing as a vase. Then I have the furniture, the TV stand over here with just a little pumpkin on it. And then the fireplace mantle, which has simple decor. Most of the stuff is DIY. The lighting, you can't see the Hello Pumpkin, but that says Hello Pumpkin. Then just some greenery from the Dollar Tree, these pumpkins that I cut out of plywood and created, and then some of my kids' artwork over here, as well as a vase with some pumpkins from the Dollar Tree, and then these peonies that I got off of AliExpress. Then we have down here a little rake that I made that says Hello Fall and some pumpkins. Now the burlap pumpkin I got at Home Sense, the colored one that looks kind of white and gray, I refinished myself. And then above the couch I do have a cabinet where I just added a little bit of decor. And then for the table centerpiece I just have a vase with hydrangeas from my garden. So very simple, not a whole lot, but I think it looks gorgeous. And I just refinished this cabinet and table over here, so let me know what you think of those. I will be posting a video of how I did that. So here we move on to the dining room, and the dining room is kind of a shared space. There's two spaces with the playroom, the kids' playroom, and the dining room. So I'm just showing you the dining room portion. And I've got my tray decor here all set up, my cabinet. I will be refinishing all of these pieces as well. I just haven't decided how I will be doing it, so stay tuned for that. Then I have this little pumpkin wreath that I made, my centerpiece with the tray that I made as well. So all of these videos you can find on my channel, and more of those peonies as well as some fall decor in there. And then I've got those two little placemats from the Dollar Tree. I wish I had found more, but they just had two. Then this little wagon that I made as well, and it says pumpkin patch on it. It's very cute. That's a Dollar Tree DIY. So just a little bit of decor. I have tons of natural plants in there, so they look really nice. And then we move on to the hallway where I have two cabinets. I have my tiered tray on one and more DIYs over here as well in the tray and beside the tray. And just again, not super full for fall, but just a little bit of hints of fall that I really like to have on here. Then in the corner I have a little cabinet as well with my pumpkin patch sign. Sorry, that was my little guy laughing. And I made that as well. That was a look for less. Then I have a pumpkin that I made out of a jar. Then in this little corner I have, again, this little shelf that I made and a little vase with some pumpkins, some, if you want to say echinacea, it's not, it is, it'll come to me. eucalyptus, and some fall decor, and then into the powder room where I have more of my hydrangeas and just again little bits of fall that you can see over here, and more DIYs that I made. I also redid this bathroom if you wanted to have a peek at how I did that. I did 2 videos because I redid it twice. But anyway, just little bits of fall all throughout the house, which bring fall's so gloomy here. Well, it's beautiful outside, but the weather's so gloomy and up and down, so this kind of helps with cheering up the place. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I will have a fall front porch decor probably some point later on this week. I will pick up some pumpkins and decorate, and then it'll be full force Halloween after that. So hopefully you enjoyed this. Let me know what you think. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Hit that big like button and the notification bell so you can see more of my creativity. Thank you. Have a great day and stay safe.